how wonderful it is to see such elevated consciousness. Good. I know, we know that you have more things to do. We are going to step back, in a manner of speaking. We don't really step back, you know. We just lower our electricity a little bit. Save a little bit on the bill. And let Anthony be Anthony. That's all it is. But if you wish not to save on your bill, increase your electricity. Your ones and zeros in your particles will start to vibrate even more. And that is good.
Last night, that was not good.
We know it doesn't feel
It
good.
was electric last night. Oh,
What are you right now?
the guides.
Any names? No, I don't
The Ascended Masters.
Okay. Hippies.
Aha, hippies. We told you, we are galactic. So are you. We are elemental. So are you. We are angels. So are you. We are human.
Who did the angels
So
come
are
through
you.
for?
First.
And Eileen.
The angels. Oh.
Joan of Arc.
Yes.
Magdalene for you. Magdalene, Magdalene, and Magdalene, yeah.
How'd you get Magdalene?
No, the angels.
Angels. Yes. Okay, that is good.
I don't care 'cause I'm in love, love.